Hey guys, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and that notify button. And here is your new video. Good morning everybody. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a Windows Explorer not responding error. So this happens whenever you try to open like a Word document. As you can see, I had already started it. And I forgot to hit record, so I'm going to show you how to get to this part. Like I was saying, the problem is whenever you try to open up a Word document through Windows Explorer, some documents will open right away, others will just stop responding or take a long time to open, no matter what size the file size is. As you can see here, let's see, let's pick something in here. So let's try to open this up, and voila, opens right away. Let's close that one. Go to the next one, and nothing. As you can see at the top, it says not responding. The only way to get out of it is to end the task. So I'm going to do that. And even ending the task takes a while. And let this go for a minute. Go back in here. As you can see, it's not responsive. Restart it. Closes Windows Explorer, opens it back up. And what I want you to do is type in CMD, right click, run as administrator. And I'm gonna need you to type in the following. You're gonna type in SFC space / scan now and hit enter, and that's where I'm at here. So with the magic of editing, I'm gonna skip to the end because this does take a while. Like I said, this is the first step in trying to figure out what's going on with your machine. So give me a few seconds and we're gonna skip ahead a little bit. Alright, now we're at 100%, and I'm gonna wait for it, and I'm gonna type exit just to close this out. You could close it out by hitting the X too, but I like just to do it that way. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna go back to that same folder. Oh, that's not it. That second document that was getting stuck, and let's see if this works. It might not work, but that's what we're trying to figure out right now. So you can see it's still not responding, so I'm going to go to my next step, is to scan the machine for any viruses or spam that might have gotten loaded onto here. So I know I have this program somewhere, but you can download Malwarebytes from their site. I actually have an old version of it. I'm gonna transfer over here. But yeah, go ahead and just download Malwarebytes from malwarebytes.com, I believe, and install it on your machine. And we're just gonna scan it to see, what's going on. It could be something in here messing stuff up. So while you're doing that, we're also going to check the hard drive. So we're going to type in check disk back /r space /f. You can probably get this, so just hit Y and enter, so that next time the machine restarts, it's going to check the file system. So the next thing we're going to do is we want to check the machine for any viruses or spam software that might have gotten installed on these machines. So we're going to install Malwarebytes, and we're going to take off that enable free trial, and we're going to install it. I'm going to have to skip ahead a little bit because this takes a little bit. I don't want you guys sitting through that either. Well, I just thought of something. While this is going on, we should check your display drivers. Sometimes if your display driver is not working correctly, it will make your Explorer crash also. So we're gonna check for updates and see if there's any new updates for your display driver. As you can see, the best drivers for your device are already installed, so we're just gonna leave this alone. But I also wanted to check all my updates and make sure all my updates for Windows are good. Should do this anyways. See, there's a whole bunch of updates that I needed, but I don't see anything that might be causing this problem, so we're just gonna let that run and just keep going with this installation. We're just gonna use personal computer for now. It's a shareware version, so not too concerned about that. I'm gonna install this. Installing, and let me skip ahead a little bit. So now that it's installed, we're going to go into settings, protection, and turn on scan for rootkits. We're going to scan the machine. We're going to let that go for a little bit and see if it finds anything. So it's been a little bit, and it's already found 15 items. So we're going to take a look and see if these items are having any effect. It looks like it's a bunch of Google Chrome crap. That these are probably false positives, so I don't think these are causing the issue that we're having, but it's nice to clean it up anyways. I don't see anything else that might be causing this issue. So after trying all those steps, we're still having the same issue. So now we are going to try what I think is the culprit. So we're going to close all this out. We're going to go into apps and features, and we're going to go down and remove anything that has to do with Microsoft Office that we didn't install. These are default programs that Windows 10 comes with, that for some reason when you install Microsoft Office Professional 2010 or 2013, when you install the full version, if you didn't download it from Microsoft and you had the CD or installation files, it causes issues. I've seen it cause issues with Outlook. I've seen it cause issues with Word and Excel. So we're going to take out anything that has to do with Microsoft Office desktop apps. This takes a little bit, but it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, sometimes it looks like it's stuck, but it's actually uninstalling. My Office. I know they don't use this. So basically you want to remove anything that the user is not gonna use ever. Let's see. Where did I use all this Xbox Live stuff? I don't think you need it in a work environment. Take that out. install these, so we're just gonna leave those there. Not gonna mess with it. And yeah, I know you guys are gonna say, oh, this video would have been a lot shorter if I just did this at the beginning, but it could have been any of those other things, so I wanted to make sure you guys had everything. So let's try it now. Go back to the same documents, and it should open right up. Voila. So guys, that's how you can fix this problem. I hope this helped out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.